Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super awesome because as you can see we have a brand new TV in the house. Thing is, a lot of people keep looking to buy a brand new 4K HDR TV around 55 inches in size, that too in the price range of under 1 lakh rupees. But what I've seen is you guys are like confused as to which model you should buy, and that's why you kept asking me in my recent TV videos. And so what I've decided is I'll be making like a series of TV videos around this budget on different models, different brands, so you guys will get to know which one is best for you. So today in this video we have a brand new TV from Sony, guys. This is a new launch TV 2021 edition. The model is X80J. It's a 55-inch 4K HDR Google TV from Sony, and I think this is the most affordable Sony TV that actually features triluminous Pro display and also has X1 processor, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and most of the stuff is there on this TV. And today in this video we're gonna unbox and give my review on this product. So let's get started. So guys, here's our brand new Bravia TV, the 2021 edition X80J. It comes in this sort of box packaging, and let me tell you, the TV is actually available in multiple size variants starting from 43 inches to 75 inches. We have the 55-inch variant. It's a 4K HDR Google TV, guys, and I think this is the most affordable Sony TV that actually features triluminous Pro display and also comes with like plethora of features which I'll tell you in this video. As usual, it does support Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and also has Motion Flow XR200. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you open the box packaging, we've got some accessories at the top side. Let me give you all a closer look. So at the top side, as you can see, we've got the stands for the TV. Pretty similar design, slim blade stands, and very good quality, guys, completely made of metal and also like very easy to install, which I'll show you in this video. Keeping that aside, there's also a packet of accessories over here, which includes a setup guide and some more paperwork like the warranty card and all that stuff. Just make sure to read that. Keeping that aside, you get a mains card for the TV and also the remote control for the TV. Lastly, you also get pair of AAA batteries and some wall mounting accessories. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's unbox it and get our first look at our brand new 2021 edition Sony's X80J TV. There you go, guys. Our first look at our brand new 4K HDR Google TV. Oh boy. Let me just take it out of this package. It looks beautiful. As you can see, there's also a sticker at the top right corner that says this is the newest model. The model number is KD55X80J and mentions some of its features, like it's powered by Sony's X1 processor, and it's a Google TV, triluminous Pro display, Dolby Vision, Atmos is there, supports Apple AirPlay, HomeKit, and plenty of other stuff. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly install the stands to the TV, which is like pretty simple, just plug and play kind of design, and then I'll quickly set up the TV and then we'll get started with the review. In the meantime, let me quickly tell you the main highlights and specs of the TV. So as mentioned, guys, Sony's X80J is a brand new 2021 model and it's available in multiple sizes starting from 43 inches to 75 inches. It's a 4K HDR Google TV that is powered by Sony's X1 processor and features triluminous Pro display, Motion Flow XR200 support, is powered by X Reality Pro and also supports Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, HLG support is also there, and also comes with auto acoustic calibration, which greatly improves your audio experience. So those were some of its main highlights, guys. We'll talk about the other details also as and how we proceed in the video. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. So Sony's X80J TV is all set up and good to go, and I've been using the TV for the past few days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are a lot of things that I have to talk about, so don't miss any part of this video and watch it till the end because it might be quite useful to you in case if you're planning to buy this TV. So first, let me tell you about the design and the build quality of this TV. Sony's X80J features like a decent design. The design is pretty similar to all the other mid-range Sony 4K TVs. The bezels are a bit thick, not the thinnest I've seen, and they got like brushed finish on all over them. You've got the Sony branding on the bottom center over here, and there's also a tiny status LED indicator just below that. It's not the thinnest TV, guys, it's a direct LED TV, so it's definitely a bit thick. And here's how the TV looks from the backside. So this is how the back of the TV looks like. And if you ask about the build quality, well, the build quality of the TV is fine. Entire body of the TV is made of plastic, but I don't know if it's an issue with just my unit, but just look at the edges of the TV, guys. The edge, the frame of this TV is actually not that nicely binded to the body. And because of that, now you can see a bit of play, and the entire frame looks a bit loose. I mean, just look at this clip. I'll show you what I mean by that. Anyways, moving on, you've got the wall mounting section over here. You've got the holes for that. You've got the Bravia branding over there. And this is where you've got the main card slot, guys. This is where you'll be installing the main card. That means it's detachable. And going over to the right side, this is where we've got all the connectivity ports. All of them are aligned to the left side of the TV and very easily accessible also. So at the top, you've got two USB ports, and then you've got optical out also. That is also there. 3.5mm headphone jack is also there. Video in port, and you've got a total of 4 HDMI ports available. And out of all these 4 now, there's only one HDMI 2.1 that supports ARC and EARC. You got all the details over here, guys, as to which port is what. So just have a look at that. Moving on, you got a Ethernet LAN port also. RS-232 port is also there. HDMI 4 audio in. That's it. These are all the available connectivity ports on it. And finally, let me also give you a look at the bottom side of the TV. As you can see, we've got the stereo speakers over here, one on the left side and one on the other side. TV comes with a 10 plus 10 watt stereo down firing bass reflex speakers, and at the center you've got a tiny power button and a status LED indicator just above that. That's it. So that was about the design and the build quality. Now let's dive into the home screen and check out the UI, software and performance and all that stuff. First of all, let me tell you that X80J is a Google TV, guys. It's not the usual Android TV that you would usually see in the market. And let me tell you, there are a couple of differences between Google TV and Android TV, and the main difference comes in the UI, guys. I've actually covered the whole part, the differences between Android and Google TV in my last Sony's X90J review, I believe. I'll just leave a link to that in the card above. You can actually check it out for all the differences. So on the home screen, guys, you've got all your favorite apps at the top side. You've got content suggestion based on what type of content you watch on the TV and stuff like that. You do have the app section from where you can easily download all your favorite apps from the Play Store, and you can also download games and stuff like that. And I'll just quickly open up the settings app and show you. So as usual, the UI, everything is pretty similar as you would see on the other Sony TVs. Just press that and a UI pops up from the bottom, and there you go. This is how the settings UI looks like. See, the whole UI, everything is pretty similar to all the other Sony TVs that you would normally see. And over here, guys, you've got the general settings. You can easily access everything from over there. And this is how the settings looks like. In the display and sound settings, guys, there are so many settings over here. You can easily adjust the brightness, contrast, colors. There are a lot of in-depth settings also available, motion flow technology, film mode is also there, live color option, and all the exclusive Sony settings are available on this TV. So that was about the display and sound. Now let me just head over to the about section and show you the storage and all that information. See, guys, as you can see, one thing I have to mention is about the internal storage of this TV. As you can see, it's only got 4.4 GB of internal storage, and that too, out of that, almost 2 GB has already been occupied by the built-in apps. That means you're only left with around 2.3 GB of usable space on this TV. So you can install very limited apps on that. I don't know why the storage on this is a bit limited. So just keep that in mind. So that's it about the storage and everything. And if you ask about the basic performance and day-to-day usage now, well, the TV, as you can see, is pretty fast and snappy. All the apps open quickly, and the transitions are also smooth and fluidic. The overall performance was very nice, guys, and I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters on this TV also. So that was about the UI interface and the performance. Now what I'll do is, before I actually talk about the display quality, show you the display demo and all that, now first let me tell you the specs of this TV. As mentioned earlier, Sony's X80J is a 4K HDR Google TV, and if you ask about the panel, well, Sony hasn't specified anywhere, but I believe it comes with an ADS panel with wide viewing angles and has direct LED backlight with frame dimming technology. And if you ask about the processor, well, they're using their Sony's 4K HDR X1 processor and also supports X Reality Pro. It's got a tri-luminous Pro display and supports all Sony's exclusive features like wide color gamut. Live color option is also there, and it also has motion flow XR200. The native refresh rate of the TV is 50 Hz, so keep that in mind. And as usual, this is a HDR TV, right? So it does support HDR10, HLG support is also there, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and support for all of these formats is available. Now what I'll do is I'll just quickly open up YouTube, we'll play some video of mine, and then we'll talk about the picture and the sound quality. Oh boy, it's finally here, the Black Panther of all gaming laptops. Yo people, Wakanda forever, your boy is back with a brand new video, and today we got our hands on the Black Panther of all gaming laptops, and there's actually a reason why I'm calling this particular product as the Black Panther, which I'll tell you in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys saw the picture quality, right? Let me know what do you think about the display quality of this TV in the comment section down below. If you would ask me, well, this is Sony's premium Triluminous Pro 2021 edition 4K HDR TV, right? So there is nothing less you can expect. The picture quality is very good, and since it's got like native 4K resolution, the content looks like crisp and sharp. There's great amount of detail, and the colors are also like very nice. One thing I have to mention is the out of the box color calibration on this particular model was not that accurate as you would see on Sony's expensive and premium lineup like the X90J and above, and that's why I had to tweak a bit of settings, especially with the white balance, colors, and also the contrast levels. And after doing that, now I'm getting like excellent results on this TV, so keep that in mind. Colors were like rich and accurate, and since it's got Triluminous Pro, right, you also have that live color option, wide color gamut. It's like awesome, guys. You'll like surely enjoy watching movies or any sort of content on this display. And the dynamic range was also nice, especially in standard definition content. But coming to HDR, I was actually not that satisfied with HDR's performance, especially because of the brightness. I felt the brightness of this panel is a bit low, so I was not getting that impact and punch, especially watching HDR movies on this TV. Apart from that, I didn't face any compressions or artifact issues on the TV. And if you talk about the gaming related features, I've told you, right, the native refresh rate of this TV is 50 Hz, and there are no gaming related features on this available. Like there's no VRR support, there is no auto low latency mode, so you'll have to keep these things in mind, especially if you're planning on buying a TV for gaming. But apart from that, now if you're just buying a TV for home purpose, you want like great colors, you want to enjoy content on this is like more than enough. You'll be like quite happy and satisfied with the picture quality of this TV. And if you talk about the audio, the TV comes with a 10+10 watt stereo down firing bass reflex speakers, and the audio quality on this TV is also very good. As usual, guys, Sony TVs do produce very nice sound, and it also has like auto acoustic calibration also, which tunes the audio according to the room and environment that you're sitting in. And the audio quality was very nice. It was producing great clarity with minimum distortion, and the audio output was also loud and sufficient. See, unless you plan on going for like an AV receiver for 5.1 and 7.1 kind of setup, now you don't need to buy like a dedicated soundbar for this TV. You're good to go with the built-in speakers. And wait a second, I forgot to show you the remote control of the TV, right? It comes with the same remote that you would see on most of the other Sony TVs. The format is similar. It does have some quick shortcuts to OTT platforms like Netflix and Prime Video, and you also have like a YouTube button also available on it. And keeping that aside, you do have like a built-in microphone and also a voice assistant button to trigger Google Assistant, so you can even ask any sort of questions on the go. So let's quickly put Google Assistant to a test also. What's the weather right now?
Right now in Sikandarabad it's 26 degrees and cloudy. Today there'll be thunderstorms with the forecast.
So as you can see, Google Assistant was also working well, and it was giving results very quickly. Well, that was my video on Sony's all-new 2021 edition 4K HDR Google TV, the X80J. It's a very good TV, and the display quality is nice. I love the audio quality also. And since it's Google TV, you've got like everything Android related stuff available. And the only few things I felt were, see, first thing is the brightness of the panel is a bit less, so you might not enjoy HDR content that good compared to the competition. And one more thing I felt is the storage on this TV is a bit limited, guys. You only only have like 2.3 GB of usable space available, so you can download like limited apps on this thing, and also no gaming related features on this TV. And that is pretty much it, guys. These were the stuff that I wanted to mention about this TV. And if you talk about the pricing, well, the 43-inch variant costs around like 69,000 or something, and this particular 55-inch variant costs around 87,000 rupees in India. I'll leave links to the TV in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn everything about the model. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.